What's up, guys? This is Chris from Lloyd, and we're talking about our fall menu. We're talking about our Bang Bang 2.0. Mexicali spring rolls, the crispy pig, the extra basic cheesecake. We're taking fresh cauliflower from our local farmers. We pickle it overnight. Spring rolls are phenomenal. This one is inspired by the chili relleno, and we're making this mixture and we're hand rolling these all on site, hundreds at a time. And it's a pork loin. It's from our friends over at Rosencrantz Farms. We're pounding this super thin and deep frying it to order. This is a New York style cheesecake, and we make our own spice blend of fall. You haven't had enough pumpkin spice in your life, so let us give you some more. Coming out, give it a try before it's gone. They're really delicious, guys. You're gonna love them, so come on out and give them a try. I suggest getting in here and giving it a shot before it's gone again.